build the AI agent that will analyze the contract that you have to sign before you will use your pen and sign this document. Hi, my name is Szymon Bochniak, I'm Copilot MVP and I'm helping the customers to adopt Copilot and AI agents technology. First of all, I'm always helping to find the business scenario and use cases, and what is most important, high value scenarios, to find the cases where AI will not only improve personal productivity, but will also change and improve business processes. Today, I want to talk with you about the AI agent that you will create in the Copilot chat that will analyze contracts for you. For instance, NDA non-disclosure agreement, which we will use as an example for today's demo. Moreover, during this video, I will also show you how to use GPT-5 to ask AI about advisory, how to make this agent work more efficient. So let's move to my screen and let's see how you can build and use that kind of agent. Goal behind our agent will be to help us to analyze any kind of contracts, for instance, non-disclosure agreement from legal perspective, but also possible risk for our organization. Whenever we will upload our contract into the agent, we can ask it to execute the analysis of the contract, and you can see we can get executive summary about type of the contract, scope, terms, governing law, so what is the law jurisdiction for the specific contract, red flags, clause that we should be aware of, risk register for the whole contract, and also proposed changes for the contract terms that are included and forcible suggestions for the negotiations. You can see this is a fantastic solution that if we are not the lawyer, to help us to check the contract from the legal perspective and help us to mitigate that risk. Contract agent could be a fantastic solution that will extend our capabilities in the area of the legal review of the document. And if you want to find another great ideas how to use Copilot AI and Microsoft 365 to improve your processes, subscribe to this channel. If you will like this specific one, leave the thumbs up, and if you will have any further questions, use the comment section. And before we will move forward, I want to recommend you one more activity that could help you really simplify the creation of any kind of agent in the Copilot chat. Nowadays, when you're using Copilot chat, on the top right corner, you have the possibility to execute deep reasoning, deep research functionality, and you can ask Copilot to advise you what kind of prompts, instructions you should use inside your agent. For instance, in this case, you can find that I'm asking Copilot how to build AI agent in Copilot, and I'm asking to provide me the instructions for the agent, not in the full code mode, so any kind of custom development, but using natural language. And you can ask, this is silly, we're asking AI how to work with AI, and it is silly, but it works perfectly well. Whenever you will ask Copilot to provide you that information and you will use GPT-5 with think deeper options, so some kind of deep reasoning, you will see that Copilot will provide you very complex approach about possible instructions that you should use inside your agents. Of course, you don't have to copy paste everything that is included here, but you will find a lot of great inspirations that you can reuse inside your agent. And you can see on the screen, in this case, Copilot recommending multiple recommendation statements, format of the text, how this kind of analysis should look like. And you can see you have different approach for the European Union countries, Polish citizens, or maybe different countries. So remember, this is something that you will have to apply to your specific needs, but you can copy paste that kind of statements later on to our agent instruction. In the next step, I will also use some of the recommendations that were prepared by GPT-5, and I will also share all of that in the newsletter if you will be interested in that. And as always, we're getting back to the creation of the agent, we're clicking the new agent, and we're getting back to our chat-based creator of the agent. Again, whenever you will get any insights from the GPT-5, some recommendations, I always recommend to go through that process to prepare some baseline. And I prepared some kind of statements. For instance, I want to have the agent that will be contract analysis assistant that will help me to review non-disclosure agreements with our customers. Moreover, I want to ask our agent to work specifically with attached documents. I do not want agent to use external data, internal knowledge, just document that will be uploaded by the end user. And of course, at this point, I will be asked for the name of the agent. I prefer very simple, short name. So we are good to go to the next section, and in the configure section, as always, I recommend to change the logo and we can get back to our agent. So first of all, we can see we have already description, we have predefined prompts, we have some kind of instructions. And as you can see, we don't want to use global websites or local data sources. We want to focus on the documents in here. This generation provides us some kind of instruction, but something very basic. And if you want to speed up that process, you can reuse some kind of recommendations from GPT-5. I will also do that. And as you can see, I added here multiple additional instructions provided for me by GPT-5 about the structure, about the purpose, about the mitigations of the risks, and some kind of wording that should be used in here. And you can see this almost 8,000 of the signs provided me by GPT-5. And realistically, probably it will be very difficult to get to that kind of complexity of the instructions if we will have to do that ourselves manually. And if you want to get all of that instructions, sign up for the newsletter where I will share that materials with you. So we are good to go to create our agent. Let's do that. Our agent will be created and generated. If you will have specific recommendations, you can add them directly to the instructions of the agent, or if you're using Microsoft 365 Copilot license, you can add them as a separated source of the knowledge for the agent. If you want to build other agents that will automate and simplify your work, check the QR code on the screen and sign up to the AI Agent newsletter, where I'm sharing other ideas about using AI agents in the daily work with all instructions, graphic prompts, and other elements that will speed up your work. And if you will need any further help in the implementation and rollout of AI agents in your organization, you can contact me directly. You will find the link in the description. And this is the real live NDA contract available publicly by one of the companies in Germany. And you can see when we will execute our agent, it will verify this NDA and provide us specific information about the structure of the documents, risks that are highlighted inside the contract, and possible mitigations, proposed additions that we should include, and also some recommendations for the negotiations of the contract. And you can see this is fantastic functionality that could really help us to analyze that kind of contract before we will sign anything. If you're struggling with reading legal documents, I highly recommend you to consider to prepare such an agent, and whenever you will create any other, use GPT-5 and inspire yourself about the instructions that you can use there. You can see creation of the legal assistant based on the AI power is super simple and does not require from you that much work. Moreover, whenever you will start to use GPT-5 as a tool to recommend you some kind of advisory, this process will be even simpler. That's why I always recommend to customers to find the spaces where AI could assist them in the daily work and improve their productivity. And moreover, you can also imagine that you can use Copilot Studio to extend that kind of process, that somebody uploading that kind of document, there is review done and sent to the legal team based on the comparison with the clause and statements that are allowed, or risks that are allowed or not allowed in the organization. This is really powerful solution. Whenever you started or not started using AI agents, I highly recommend you to consider that, because this is really life-saving solution. Thank you very much for today. Thank you very much for your time and watching this video, and see you in the next one.